Hi everyone, in this video update I would like to show you what we will be working on in September. We're going to be continuing our lightning arrow from the previous tutorial. We set up a character animation and just a arrow VFX. However, this time we're going to be implementing the collision system, cast, impact, and also a charged arrow. As you can see, the last one was the charge, so let me do it again. So it's slightly bigger than the normal attack, and it's got this sticky arrow at the end, which explodes after 1.5 seconds. So that will be for tier 1. And in the tier 1 also next month I would like to explore the ultimate ability for the lightning arrow, which will be probably character shooting upwards, and then we're gonna have a massive thunder strike coming down on a bunch of enemies, some sort of AoE, and the post effect as well. I haven't started even in that ultimate ability yet, as it's coming next month. So this month let's implement our single attack with the charge attack, and then next month we'll be focusing on the ultimate. Let's look at the tier 2 now. And in here we'll be continuing with our sci-fi desert course. We're going to be implementing the targeting laser line. To make it a bit more interesting, we're going to break it up. That line also, we're going to have a separate parameter for the length of it, and nice fade towards the end. And also we will start working on our muzzle flashes for those turrets. And this will be a basic attack, and probably in the next months we'll be looking into the charge attack, and we're gonna be progressing onto other effects in that course. Also in September I'm launching my explosion mentorship course, where I will be teaching everything I know about the explosions for games. And as you can see here, we've got this hero explosion. It will be 12-week mentorship. There are still a couple spots left, so you can sign up if you want, as it starts in a few weeks. Now we're gonna be going through each element of those per week, and towards the end we're gonna optimize it and create a stripped down version of this hero explosion, so we can create a couple of those explosions going at the same time on the screen. Also in this mentorship there are included one-on-one weekly sessions, so you can so we can do some problem solving or tips and tricks and see your progress. All right, that's it for this month. Thank you so much.